Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block invisible tracker in Mozilla Firefox using add-on. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google. Now write privacy badger Firefox. So this is link. So click on it and then you see privacy badger add to Firefox. So this is our extension. So click on it and then click on add again. If you want to enable this extension on private window, enable this option and then click on OK. Now extension is installed. Open any website and refresh the page. Now on top right you see privacy badger icon. So click on it. Now you see one potential tracker block. Expand it. Now you see, if you want you can disable for this site. Go to another website, refresh the page. Now click on it. Again you see and then you see option block cookies, allow, block entirely. So you can select according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.